Okay, guys, we are back with part 2 of the printer problem for Tinkercad. If this board looks just crazy to you right now, I would recommend going back and watching part 1. Now, in part 1, we wired alarm 1 and alarm 2. In this video, we're going to wire alarm 3, and it's a little bit trickier. You can see the equation for it right here, AB or BC or AC. So that means we're going to need this 7408 chip to make all of our AND gates. It also means this is going to be our first complex build, meaning we're going to take an output and instead of running straight to an LED, it's going to become an input for a separate circuit, which can be a little weird, but I bet you can do it. So let's go ahead and build our first piece here, A and B. So using our 7408 chip, we are going to run A into input 1A, and then to input 1B, we will just run it to B. And let's go ahead and make those wires, I don't know, let's do purple. And then this output is going to be AB, but it's not going to run to an LED just yet. I'm going to leave it alone for now, and I'm just going to build my next piece. I'm going to build BC. So I need to come over to my next set of inputs here. Here's input 2A and 2B. Now, instead of running from B again, I'm going to use this purple wire, and I'm going to connect from here to here, and now we'll make it, I don't know, pink. Okay? And so recognize that this pink wire, let's see if I can get it to bend. There we go. This pink wire right here connects input 1B to input 2A. And that's because in input 1B, we have our B switch. So now we have our B switch here in input 2A. We also need C to be in input 2B. So we can grab another wire right here, and we can just run it to C. And we'll go ahead and make that wire pink as well. All right, so remember our purple wires made AB, our pink wires made BC. Now we need to make AC, but we're all out of room on this side, so let's go up to this top side. So for input 4A, we'll run it to A. That'll be easy enough. For input 4B, we'll run it to C. And now we have our three sets of AND gates. Remember, our purple wires are AB, our pink wires are BC, and we'll make these yellow. Our yellow wires are AC. Now I need to connect all of those using OR gates. So what I'm going to do is this first guy right here, which is output. Oh, did I mess that up? Input 4A. Oh, I did. So here, let's delete this. And we'll run it right here. So now I have input 4B, input 4A, and then this output, I'm going to run it over to my 7432. Because that is my input for my OR. So now I've got AC, or I need something here in this input 4A. Well, I'm going to take my purple output, my AB, and I'm going to bend it up so we can see what's going on. I'll make that purple. We'll make this one yellow. I then need to take that output and jump it here to this next input. So now that's two of them. I need to get my last AND gate over here. So how do I get this pink output over here and then connect it to the LED? That's a nice last step that I'm going to leave to you. So good luck.